glad to be here once again, and I'm happy to have you here. If this is your first time, you're welcome. If this is not your first time, you're welcome back to my channel. So, recently I've been creating AI images using Google Gemini, and then so many persons have been asking me for my steps or my prompts, how I generate these images. I have been answering individually, but I decided it would be right for me to make a video so that anyone who asks me that question, I'll just direct it to this video and you will find your answers. So I did a recording of the steps I take in creating my AI Gemini pictures, and it's a very self-explanatory video or recording. I'm going to put it right after this speech, so I hope you find the answers that you need. I made the video very short and self-explanatory, so let's get right into it. First, you have to download the Gemini app. Go to your app store. You'll see Google Gemini there. That's the one I use. You download, and the size is very small, so you don't need much data to download it. When you download, you open. I already registered my email, so that's why you can see my name there. You can click on create image, or you click on the plus sign. When you click on that plus sign, it shows you this, and you click on your gallery. When you click on your gallery, you choose a very clear selfie of yourself. If you want this app to give you the exact picture of you, you have to use a very clear selfie of yourself. So this is me searching for my clearest selfie. When I find it, I'll just click on it. Done. After that, you would now input your instruction or your prompt. What I do is I create my prompt somewhere, I copy it so that when I come here I wouldn't start typing. I'll just paste my prompt and click on the send arrow. That's exactly what I do. So you can also try it that way, but if you don't want, you can come here and input your prompts. You tell the app what you want it to do with the picture you have uploaded. And one way to get the best of this is to tell the app not to change the facial features, the hair, and the complexion of the person in the uploaded image. So you can read the instructions or the prompt I gave to it very well. I always tell it not to change my facial features, my hair, and my complexion. So when you're very exact about what you want, this app is going to give you your exact face, because so many persons complain that it doesn't bring out my exact face. It's because you don't give it a direct instruction. So you have to give it a direct instruction by telling it to use the uploaded image and to not change any of the features. So this is my picture. You click on the picture that it generates, go to that arrow there, click on it, and you download the image into your phone gallery. So it's as simple as that. It's a very simple process. So you can try it out and tell me what. So you've seen the video. I hope it helped you. I hope you found the answers that you've been looking for. Do well to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Drop a comment or a question in the comment section. Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.